I'm Andrew Phillips. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to handle any situation in your house where you may have mold or mildew or any kind of fungus that's growing as a result of moisture. There's an easy way that you can basically kill it and also prep for it to kind of prevent it from coming back. I'm going to show you that today, so let's get started. What we're dealing with here is the inside of a closet. This is on the side of a house that had water coming in behind the siding. The builder did not put Tyvek, so it was running behind the board and coming in and pretty much building up behind this wall. We went ahead and cleaned it already off the corner of the wall, but we're going to still seal it so it doesn't come back. And then we're going to go ahead and lift this carpet up, see what's under there, get that all killed and cleaned out and prevent it from coming back. And that should take care of it. Okay, the products that you're going to need to pull this off, first of all, you're going to need a good mold-killing primer, one that will actually stop it in its tracks, and it'll also prep it to prevent it from coming back. You can pick this up at Walmart, Home Depot, Lowe's, all those places. Another thing here is for afterwards, you're going to need a really strong carpet cleaner. This one here is a really good one by Bissell. It's actually made for killing mildew and mold odors, so that way we can clean the carpet afterwards. And then obviously you're going to need a respirator because the odor that's going to come up when we lift that carpet can be dangerous. And then also really good chemical gloves that we can wear for when we apply all this. So let's go ahead and rip that carpet up and let's see what we're dealing with. All right, let's lift this up, see what we got. All right, not looking good. Look at that. Wow. Okay. We got to get all of this prepped and killed and seal all that. So let's go ahead and start applying it. Okay. Make sure you put it on nice and thick. You want to kill everything. Okay. Okay, went ahead and primed up there on the wall where there was a little bit earlier that we had been removed with bleach, but I just went ahead and primed it anyway. Everything else is pretty much sealed. Even went a little bit there onto the padding just to prevent it. Now I think I'm going to do the back of the carpet. I don't even know if it's for that, but just to kill anything there, and then we'll clean the carpet on the other side with the carpet cleaner. Okay, so everything's been coated. I'm going to let it dry. We'll give a second coat and make sure we really seal it. And then we'll be right back. Okay, everything is pretty much dry to touch. We're going to go ahead and put down the carpet, put it back in place, so that way we can focus on getting the mildew and mold cleaning spray on here, so we can get all that cleaned up. So let's go ahead and get this all back down in place. Okay. Flathead screwdriver actually works very good for pushing the carpet back down underneath the baseboard. That way it looks nice and tight, the way it would have been when the carpet people would have laid that. So get that all nice and tucked in. Make sure that you get it back on the little grippers there on the edges, so that way it's nice and tight. There we go. Looks good. So now let's go ahead and spray it. Okay, we went ahead and vacuumed it up, got any residue off there, got it all prepped. What we're going to be using now is this Bissell right here. It's a 3x Advanced Formula Pro Oxy Cleaner. This is specifically made for removing any kind of odors and things left by mildew and mold. And it also goes in, it does a very deep saturated cleaning into the carpet, so it'll hopefully get all that stain and all that crap out of there. So let's go ahead and apply it, and we'll work that through and see what happens. Okay, what you want to do when applying this, you want to spray it at full power in a circular motion and really let it sink in. And then after that, we're going to let it sit for 1 minute. Then we'll come back and then we'll work it in at that point. Make sure we get all along there. That's where the mold and mildew was all very strong, so we want to make sure we get that out of there. We've already killed it on the actual wood underneath and on the back of the carpet. So now let's just apply that real thick. Okay, we're wrapping it up now. We've given a full saturation. Use the whole can here. So now we'll let that sit for a minute and then we'll come back. Okay, it's been about a minute now. So I have a clean white cloth. Just going to go ahead and just lightly work it in, dab it in. There we go. You don't want to wipe it all up because this stuff will continue to work until it dries. So we're just gonna work out those stains and get rid of any odor. This mold smell is pretty intense, so it's a lot better already. So we're just gonna work that in. Okay, so we went ahead, we worked it in real good. You can see 90% of the stain is gone, and the odor is completely gone. It's still very damp. What you want to do is just let it sink in, continue to work. We'll come back a little bit later, dab it again, and I think we'll be done. Okay, we got it drying out now. It's been probably about 2 hours. It's starting to settle in. A little bit of stain still there. We might have to just go over it with a basic shampoo, but for the most part, everything's gone. You can see along the baseboards, that's all been killed and removed. And the carpet has been restored pretty good, and all the mold is gone. So there we go. Well, I hope this video helped you out. Please send any questions, any comments. I'd love to hear from you. As always, we thank you for watching. We thank you for supporting this channel. Please like this video, subscribe to this channel, ring the bell. I'm always posting new videos, at least one, sometimes two a week. And as always, thank you for your support, and we'll see you next time.